Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an IKEA Christmas DIY hack for you using the $5 IKEA cutting board. I'm going to show you two different ways to decorate it for the Christmas season. So what I did was I took some painter's tape and I put it right where I want there to be a dividing line. And I took my Deco Art Americana matte black finish paint, and I decided that I wanted to paint the bottom part black, and so I'm painting the first layer on here, and then you'll also notice that the neck is kind of up on the side of this foil pan, and that's so that I can paint all around the edges also. So I'm painting one coat right now, and I let it go. I probably waited about an hour. I had some other things I was doing, so I kind of waited an hour in between, and then I came back and I did a second coat. This is coat number 2 going on, and then we're going to let that dry, and then we'll begin doing our decorating portion. So here I just found this comfort and joy phrase on Cricut, and I printed it off, and I'm just going to use that on my cutting board here. I liked it kind of in a diagonal style, so that's what you see me doing here, just kind of putting it kind of at an angle. I like to make really sure that I have it down very nicely and it's secured to the surface before I start peeling it back. And it's just a little trial and error with this. Sometimes if your transfer tape is real sticky, it's hard for it to stick down. So you just have to keep working at it. So next I took one of the $1.99 picks at Walmart. I just took a couple of little pieces of branches off of it and hot glued them on here. I'm hot gluing them in two different places so that they stay in place. And then I also bought a pick that was berries, and I just took 3 little berries off of it, and I just figured out just exactly where I wanted them, placed them where I wanted them, also hot glued them down, both the stem and the berry portion, so that it stays in place, and I just put those. Now I love this ribbon. I have to talk to you about this ribbon. This is from Etsy, and I will link it below. I looked for it in the stores, could not find it. I bought this in black and also in red, and I was thrilled to be able to use it. I'm so excited about it. I just love it. So I also made a little bow for this. I just tied it like you're tying your shoes, and I'm just gonna hot glue it to the front and right in the center there. And give that just a second or two to stay in place. And there you go. And I like my little ends just like that. I was going to do something fancy, and I decided I liked them plain, just straight across like that. And here is my little farmhouse style Christmas cutting board. I really love it, and I'm happy with the way it turned out. For my next DIY with the cutting board, I am going to be painting it with the Waverly white chalk paint. That is 1 coat, and then that is 2 coats. So I used 2 coats of the Waverly white chalk paint, let it dry. Then I took these stencils that are snowflakes, and I picked these up at Walmart actually a year ago. Last Christmas time I picked these up. and that is a stencil brush there that I have, and I'm using just kind of a beige color acrylic paint, and I'm just dabbing it on. I am not really great at stenciling. I have a tendency, like that one is filled in a little bit more than the other one is. But the idea here is that I just kind of wanted to have like a random snowflake pattern going on this cutting board, the different styles, and set in different places. So I'm just kind of figuring out where I want to put those and which ones I want to use, and just painting them onto the cutting board there. And then the last one, I'm just going to kind of like, it's kind of hanging off the board there. I wanted it to have that type of look. So now I'm adding my Dollar Tree items. You can pick up these little greenery pieces at the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack for $1, and I'm just kind of wrapping that around there. And now I'm taking my sage colored ribbon, also from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just looping that around the greenery and tying it in a bow. I'm trying to figure out just how long I want that bow to be. Do I want it longer or shorter? I'm trying to make up my mind. So I'm trimming it off a little bit. And then I decide to go even shorter. I just decide that I want it to be even shorter so you can see that greenery a little bit better. Next, I'm taking these cute little ornaments that they have in the mini section at Walmart, and I am just hot gluing one of those on. And then I'm also hot gluing 2 of these little pine cones that come in a bag from Dollar Tree also. So I just wanted to show you another option for this. I used this cutting board from IKEA. This came from the Dollar Tree, and obviously it doesn't have the neck on it, but you could still use it, and you could still do this, just set it kind of in the center right here. They also sell a white cutting board at the Dollar Tree that is more of like a, it's more of a plastic, and you could use that one also. That's only $1. It's already white, so of course I don't know how the stenciling would come out on that, but that's another option that you could use. And here is how the finished DIY looks. Thank you so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up or leave a comment below. It really helps my channel. Subscribe if you would like to see more videos from me. I do DIYs, shopping, and decor videos, and I would love to have you here on my channel. Have a wonderful day.